Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Al-Masri 1. I'm joined by Ututula. Ucela ukuthi into nerongo masandana. Into nerongo masandana. Into nerongo masandana. Masandana. Bafethu ngiyabonga uthando. Ufuna ukuhlala egamini bafethu. Abafana badlalile bafethu. Badlalile. I'm happy ngecombination. So either ulokhu akushila umfethu. I-combination kaMabuye noNdlovu bafethu yazini ama-tackles kaMabuye. Quality. Akayenzi nama-tackles ukuthi azoyenza ama-lent ama-fouls ukuthi sizoconsider. Bafethu, they played ball today. What we needed, a ball player. We midfield. They played with the unity. La midfield bafethu. I like that bafethu. Team spirit was there today. Babambene today babona isikuthi abayifuna. Bazothelisa siduma ngabanye. Amaphakameli. Bafethu indolo masandana. Abafethu yena uGatsheni uNdlovu uGatsheni boya benye out yewena wenzele namhlanje yasini. Don't forget to kwinika bafethu asibuyisele egamini kwinika mfethu siyabonga mfethu.